Okay, I'm back with these WordPress tutorials. I was going to quit doing them, but and the main reason was because I've been going out and talking to a lot of businesses around town, and almost all of them that need a very simple website, I think should be using a free Google My Business website. And that's all they need, much less headache. But I have a friend who wants to do a WordPress site and does not have a physical location. So I suggested that he build it on WordPress, and I'm doing this tutorial mainly to start from the very beginning and go into like building a one-page website. So let's take a look. We're going to start in our cPanel here, and I have it opened up so that we can take a look. Here's the top. You know, usually I do this a little bit different for myself, but we're going to do a very simple, quick install. We're going down here where it says software, and we're just going to click this where it says quick install. This should take us to where we can just do a click right here on WordPress. I'm going to click that, and they want me to pay them money. Yeah. So I hate these sort of things. I haven't used this system, so let's just see if we can do this. Wow, that's kind of interesting that they charge so much. Let's see if we can do just a quick install here. And they make it so that it's not exactly easy to see. I don't think this is quite ADA compliant. We're going to give it an email. We'll do this WP blogging admin. I think that we're going to use my admin's going to be a little bit different than something that's easy to guess. We can use this as my regular information for my first and last name. And then we're going to install WordPress. If they charge me, I'm going to be hopping mad. They tricked me into buying something by manipulating how they have their boxes on the screen. And they want me to find a theme. I don't want to do that right now. I'm just going to X out of here. And they want me to still spend more money. I kind of hate this interface. This is HostGator. This is like extremely annoying, actually. I've never used it before. And they want me to start I have no idea. This is quite confusing. I can see where people would be very intimidated by using a hosting platform like this, because it's like they're trying to trick you into clicking on a bunch of stuff and you don't know what's the right thing to click on or not. Yeah. It says that the install is complete, so I'm going to take that as that it's done and I don't have to click through any of this. But man, this is really tricky what they're doing here to try to get you to, like I say, trick you into buying stuff. So let's go into, I'm just going to go from here, I'm going to go to wpblogging.com/wp-admin. Don't click on that, all their trickery there. Let's see if you can get in this way. And we'll see. Yes, 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 yes. Except I don't have a password. Didn't let me set up a password. Let me see if I have a if they sent me one. Yeah, they did. So they did give me a password. I say I usually set this up by hand. I didn't know all the hoops you have to jump through and the fine print you have to avoid when they do it. And their password's not quite as strong as what I would have, but it's good enough. Good enough. I will be editing some of this out. Okay, it wants me to confirm my email. Yep, that's still a good email. And there we go. Let's see what kind of updates. This is always kind of a good way to see how current their system is. They have a lot of junk on here. Looks like it is the current version of WordPress. So I'm going to go in here to install plugins. The first thing I'm going to do and see what they put in here. It looks like they have one plugin that jiggles around quite a bit. That one, if I see something jiggling, I think that must be spam. Okay, so I'm going to deactivate this. I'm going to probably delete all these. Yeah, I'm going to deactivate this. Wants me to know why I don't want it, because you're spammy. I'm going to say I'm switching to I want to, and this, I'm going to deactivate this. Oh, I'm updating it. That's because I didn't want to do that. I want to actually deactivate it. And I want to deactivate this. This is the one that looks extra spammy. I'm going to deactivate it. And it's going to be the very first one I delete. And then I'm going to deactivate this. And then I'm going to go in and delete all of them. You know, I should have done that through the bulk action. But I kind of wanted to see what they put on here. Okay, now we're going to delete these. Apply all of them. Okay, that's good.